Hi everyone, in this video I will show you a quick way to insert an image from Google Chrome into Word without downloading it. We will use the screen clipping tool. Open your Google Chrome and search an image. I want this image to insert in my document and I have opened it in new tab. Now switch to your Word document, go to Insert tab and choose screenshot. In this choose screen clipping. Your screen will dim. Click and drag to select the image area in Chrome. I want this area and then release the mouse when the image is inserted into Word. Super handy for grabbing images directly from web pages. You can edit the image in Word after inserting. You can resize an image. You can apply different alignments. That's it. Quick and easy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips.